A little sunshine so far today. Areas across the eastern plains, a little bit more cloud cover right now, and a little bit of precipitation that is reaching the ground here in far eastern Baca County and to western Kansas right now. That's all due to a disturbance that is really impacting parts of the high country at the moment. And you'll notice some of that snow that is ongoing across the western slope. Cold front sagging into the state is going to reinforce a shot of colder air for us, and we will feel that on Saturday. So really, we're not going to have very many changes over the next couple of days, just kind of a rinse and repeat forecast. You'll notice that most areas are under more clouds and sunshine right now as a result of that front moving in that is increasing our cloud cover and just a little bit of precipitation. Of course, we are continuing to talk mainly about high elevation mountain snow through the evening time frame tonight. It winds down just a bit for the central mountains and then starts to ramp back up through Saturday afternoon and through Saturday evening and even on Sunday. So we are expecting more snow across the central and northern mountains through the weekend time frame. You'll notice most of that will be happening west of I-25, so this system is not conducive for lower terrain snow, but it is going to give us a little bit of cloud cover through the weekend, but we are expected to stay dry at the surface through Saturday and through Sunday. Another front sweeps the state on Sunday afternoon. This will happen after we reach our high temperatures into the 40s and low 50s, so we're going to top out with some warming on Sunday before we're going to be back down the deep freeze on Monday. So all that to say, a fairly nice weekend ahead. If you plan to head into the high country, areas across Breckenridge, Vail, Aspen, Crested Butte will have some fresh snow. They have already received 1.5 feet of snow in some locations just from the system that came in Wednesday into Thursday. And then another little round of some light to moderate snow, especially here across parts of Crested Butte, areas north of Gunnison, and of course the central mountains will pick up another 8 inches for elevations above 9,000 feet, where winter weather advisories will stay in effect. The good side of things is that we're not going to have those strong winds in the high country this weekend, such as what we did on Wednesday, Thursday, that was really reducing visibility. So you may encounter some gusty winds and some treacherous conditions in some of those mountain passes through the weekend, but again, nothing comparatively speaking to what we went through the mid part of the week for the mountains. Areas into Telluride, it'll be very light snow, 1 to 2 on the higher side, but north of Cottonwood Pass, we do expect another 3 to 6 inches in some of those locations. So decent snow amounts for most of our mountains. Now Saturday, high temperatures are into the upper 40s for most of the Pikes Peak region. We'll be in the 30s in Teller County and then topping out in the low 50s here across parts of the eastern plains. 44 in Walsenburg and 51 in Canyon City, and then a little warmer for us as we move through Sunday. But shift your focus towards Nebraska and the Central Plains. That's that next round of air that's going to be really ushering into the state Sunday night. So you can actually see the wind direction there kind of colliding towards northeastern Colorado. That's our next front. It's going to sweep through Sunday night, and that will mean a chillier start to the work week on Monday. So don't get too excited with some of these warmer temperatures over the weekend. We are back down in the 30s and 40s into early next week, and we do expect mostly dry conditions through the weekend time frame, and it is looking like we're going to have a dry stretch of weather ahead even into early next week, but we will start to cool back down pretty rapidly into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of the next week. So as we approach Valentine's Day, it's actually looking a little chilly across the state of Colorado, even below average for this time of year. So enjoy the mild trend for the weekend and stay with us. We'll be right back.